In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of tags in Asana. If you've been using Asana for managing your projects, you already know how tags are essential for organizing and tracking tasks efficiently. Adjusting their colors is a simple yet powerful customization that adds clarity and allows you to distinguish tasks more easily at a glance. So let's dive in and explore how to make these color changes. To get started, open the Asana project where your tags have been created. With your project open, find your way to the specific tag you'd like to update. Go ahead and click on it. This is the key that opens up a list of every task linked to that tag, offering you a comprehensive view of where it's being utilized within your project. This feature alone can be quite enlightening as it provides context on the tag's usage throughout your workspace. Now direct your attention to a small yet significant icon. It's a caret symbol located beside the tag title. This small icon is a gateway to additional tag management options. Give it a click and you'll be met with a drop-down menu. From this menu, your focus should be on the option labeled Set Color. You'll now be presented with a palette bursting with colors to choose from. Here, take a moment to strategically consider your choice. For instance, you might decide on bold, eye-catching colors to highlight high-priority items that need immediate attention. Alternatively, you might choose to utilize a consistent color theme to group together related tasks, enhancing the cohesion and visual flow of your project space. Remember, selecting colors thoughtfully not only enhances the look of your project, but also aids your team in navigating tasks swiftly and efficiently. Once you've made your decision on the perfect color, simply click on it. You'll notice that the change is applied instantly across your project, providing that immediate visual improvement. With this step, you've successfully updated the tag color. If you find other tags in need of a refresh, just follow the same simple steps we've just outlined. And just like that, you've given your project a more visually intuitive workspace. By customizing tag colors, you're creating an environment that boosts productivity and makes project management a breeze, not just for you, but for your entire team. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful Asana tips and tutorials. We're here to make your project management experience as smooth and efficient as possible. Keep an eye out for our next video, where we'll share more ways to get the most out of Asana. Until then, happy organizing.